If you're thinking about starting up a new company, have you heard of Atlassian for Startups? Atlassian gives out free resources for up to 50 people for up to an entire year for free, assuming you meet a couple of qualifications. Now, we're going to go over those qualifications in a second, but first, let me show you Atlassian for Startups and let me tell you what you get for free, assuming again you meet those qualifications. So, with Atlassian for Startups, link in the description down below, you get access to a majority of the Atlassian tools for free, most of them for up to 50 users for the entirety of a year. Now, this can mean something really significant for a lot of companies because, as you know, building a startup, building a brand new company, taking an idea and eventually delivering a final result, product, goods, or service can be very challenging. The entrepreneurship world is not for everybody. It requires a tremendous amount of effort and energy and vision to be able to do something like this. Now, wouldn't it be nice if our tools can kind of just get out of the way, right? Wouldn't it be cool if we can focus on the idea part of it, the execution part, and just have tools that support us? And the best part, have those tools be available to us for free? Well, that's exactly what Atlassian for Startups is. Now, assuming that you hit these following three criteria. Number one, you're not an existing paid Atlassian customer, which if you're a new startup, you're most likely not going to be a paid customer. Number two, you are VC funded or that you have an association with a partner accelerator, that's going to help you qualify. And number three, as long as you haven't raised $10 million of external funding, then you're going to be able to qualify for Atlassian for Startups. Now, what exactly do you get with Atlassian for Startups? Well, you get access to almost all the tools. You're going to get access to Jira Product Discovery. You're going to get access to obviously Jira. You're going to get access to Confluence and Loom. And from a developer perspective, you're also going to get access to Compass and Bitbucket. Now, this is a pretty big deal because with all those tools, you have everything you need to successfully take those ideas, organize and collaborate with your team, and get something delivered out to the market. And that, my friends, is the whole point of the startup, right? Is the whole purpose of why we built something to take those ideas and get them out to production. And as you know, so many startups fail. And I believe that they fail not because of lack of vision or lack of inspiration, but they lack because it's hard to organize teams, right? It's hard to get folks to come together and rally behind a mission. And it's hard to keep everybody accountable. It's hard to articulate those thoughts and ideas that you have and flow them down to the folks that are going to be doing the work. And with all these tools, Atlassian makes this seamless, it makes this painless, and the best part, it does it for you for free. So I highly recommend that you check out that link down in the description. Get started with Atlassian for Startups because if you're a startup and you're not using the Atlassian tools and you're hitting these bottlenecks, you're hitting this friction and these challenges of, man, I have this company, I have this team, I just can't. I just can't get them to cross over the finish line. Try out Atlassian for Startups. You are going to get the premium versions of everything as well. So you're going to get all the bells and whistles. And trust me when I tell you, this is going to change your life. And as an added bonus, if you need any help, if you do decide to go down this endeavor and you need some help, my information is down in the description below. Let me help you get started with all this because as you may have heard from your friends and neighbors, these tools, while they're really, really cool, and it's an added benefit that they're absolutely free for 1 year, they're still a little challenging to get configured just right. So let me, with all my years of experience, help you get these tools set up so that very quickly you and your team can start just delivering results and getting that product to market. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.